Hello everyone, and welcome to this series of videos for the practical use of the C-Trader platform brought to you by TopFX. In this video I will show you one of the easiest ways to execute a trade. Keep in mind that there is other videos as well showing you how to execute a trade, so feel free to browse them all and pick the one that suits you best. So let's get started. After we log into our trading account, we move over to the top of the chart where there is a tab that says New Order. You can click on it or press F9. By doing so, a new window would appear. Make sure you use the correct asset to trade. If the asset pre-selected it's not the one you want, quite simply click on the arrow. A new tab would appear and you can simply type the asset's the instrument's name. In this case, I'm going to do the most popular one, Euro USD. EUR-USD. There we go. Once the result appears, I click on it. Then I need to decide whether to sell or buy. Randomly, I'm going to buy. I need to decide the size of the contract, the size of the lot. Then I can incorporate stop loss and take profit by clicking on the equivalent boxes. And I also have the choice for trailing stop loss. There would be separate videos for the stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop loss. Make sure you watch them. You're going to get some vital information. The next thing left, click on place order as I just did. As you've noticed, on the top right, the window notifies you that the order is executed, and right below the chart, under positions, you can see the executed trade. And this is it, like I said, one of the easiest ways. Make sure you view all our other videos with other ways of executing a trade. Thank you for watching. See you soon.